Hello and welcome back to our AutoCAD Mechanical 2022 class. I hope you are learning so far and the video is helping you to solidify your understanding in AutoCAD Mechanical. So we are going to continue from where we left off by learning more tools and commands in AutoCAD Mechanical 2022. So far we've learned the line, the polyline, the circle, the arc. We've had a snapshot into the center line command. We'll learn to go deep. There's a drop down arrow there, so we'll look at all the options that are there and we play around with them. So I want to click on this and you will see we have different types. So that's the benefit of AutoCAD Mechanical. It is designed for typical engineering stuff with respect to mechanical. So you have the center line mark, center mark. We have the center line cross on plate. We have the center line cross in corner. We have the center line in between, center line crossing holes. I want to give an assignment. I want you to practice on all of them. So we just play with a few of them here and we'll see how it works. So I want to try the center line cross, for example. All right, so before that, I want to draw a circle. So I draw a circle, simple circle like this, and then I come to the drop down arrow, select center line cross. Then I click on this. Then you can specify the length of the cross. I want something cute. So something like this. And this is my center line cross. All right, let's draw a box. So let's jump into the rectangle command. Let's click on that. So we have a wide range of different ways to draw rectangles in AutoCAD Mechanical 2022. And these are so another trial for you. I want you to practice on these. Try your hands on how to draw these. So let's touch on a few of them. I like the corner to corner. Let's try the corner to corner. So corner to corner. Then I've drawn my rectangle. Let's try midpoint of height. So you select the midpoint, then the height, all right, somewhere here. So, okay, so just be playing around them. These are very easy command that you can actually learn. Okay, this time around, let's go back to the line command. I want to apply the center line cross on plate. So I select the center line cross on plate, and what it says is that specify what offset cross. So I want to specify the offset cross, maybe 10. I press enter, then you see select object. So I want to select this object, press enter again. Then side to insert. I want to insert them at the corner here. So I select the side. Then he said specify the diameter of the hole. So I want the diameter of the hole to be, let's say, 10, right? Press enter. Then wow, you see the center line cross. So is it the center line cross? No, you see the center line cross on plate. So that's something cute for you to practice on. So basically these are tools that are interesting to use and I want you to try your hands on them. The more you try your hands on them, the more you become conversant with it. So let's try for the center line crossing corner. So first of all, commander tells you what select the first contour line. And okay, so for this one, I will recommend that you use the line command to draw a box because it's giving you the first contour line, the second contour line, and all of that. Okay, so maybe we'll not be able to get the proper answer that we want, but so I want to press on escape and all of that. So yeah, so just give it a try. I'm just drawing a line this time around. This drawing is interesting. Press enter. Then what you do is let's go back again here and let's see what we can do. So I select this right, select the second contour, right? Then it says what offset center. I want, let's say, somewhere here. Then what offset of center from second contour, somewhere here. Diameter I want maybe 10. Then it gives me that. So yeah, just give it a try have a feel of that and you would get to know more. Okay, so now let's go into the next one, which is the hatch. So the hatch, you would appreciate it more when we learn the sectional views, but let's take a little bite of it and let's see what happens. So you click down, you see different types of hatch here. All right, so we have the hatch 45 degrees. We have this one too here. All right, so depending on what you want to do, depending on the type of hatch you want. All right, so currently I press on escape. I want to go back. So let's start together. So to click on the drop down arrow, select hatch. I don't want these ones for now. We will learn them when we start sectional views, but let's click on hatch, this one. And you realize that the ribbons area changes. We have now angle and see. We have different types. We have the pattern, we have the use current. A lot of things are happening here. Don't worry. So we want to specify. Say that pick the internal point. So if I pick this internal point, it means I want to hatch it. So I click on that and I can do some settings here. So for example, I can, all right, so you realize that it's even trying to hatch my title block for me. So yeah, so these are all for you to give it a try. So if you come here, you can do some changes. You can change the style of the hatching. All right. So these are different styles that you can, you know, try your hand. This like the brick style. These are different types of hatching that you can use in your drawings. All right. Sorry. Let's go back to the home tab. Okay. So basically, that is that. Yeah, so that's the hatching. Let's try the hatching of something different. Let's go to the hatch. Then this time round, I want a solid color. I don't want to hatch. I want to give it a color, a solid color. So it says what specify the color that you want, right? So I'm going to click on this side and I've been able to give it a color. All right, so that's the color white. So you can change the colors here. I want to maybe give it a yellow or green. Okay, I don't know, but let's try yellow. All right, so that is that. So now currently I'm using the yellow color for my hatching. All right, so for example, if I select here and I want to change it to green, you realize that yeah, you can be changing the colors, your choices, the one that you want. So once I'm okay with any of them, I click on close and then that is it. So that's the hatching and then solid color and all of that. So you know what to do if you want to do the changes. Okay, you double click inside, you go there, you do one or two changes. So you can bring it back to grade. You can even have a gradient, you can even have a pattern, you can even, so let's see the gradient. So you see the gradient, it gives you different gradients. These are the settings, these are the style of gradients that we have in AutoCAD Mechanical, all right? So let's see the other types of gradients you have. Yes, you have different types. And I think I like this one, so I click on that. Then the gradient color, you can choose, different gradient color, maybe red and yellow and all of that. So just play around them. I think this is cool. It looks catchy. So we've looked at the hatch, we've looked at the gradient, and the next video we'll go into the construction um, palette or ribbon, call it, and we will learn more about that. So thank you for joining, and I hope to see you in the next video.